Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to download Schedule 1 for free on Steam, Xbox, and PS5. Now, this is going to be a full 2025 game access. Now, take note about guys, this is going to be entirely for free. Now, let's get started. On your devices, you might now go to Safari, Google Chrome if you're using an Android device, or your Windows PC, go to this website. So the website will be called modthestream.com. And moving forward for this one, as you can see, Schedule 1 full game should be right here. So what can we do here? You can basically click this one. Get the code right there, as you can see that there are 314 coupons left. So what can we do here? You're gonna get one free coupon. After that one, moving forward, you're gonna complete a series of tasks until you get that code you're looking for. Just simply click on show coupon code and you're gonna get that one for free. Easy as that. And thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.